What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. So today we're switching gears again. Instead of the work on the car, well, I guess I'm working on the car, but I got myself a little sandblaster. Nothing super fancy, but I want to start getting these miscellaneous parts that I have. I want to get them sandblasted. So I haven't used this before, so let me get it all set up and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I got these parts all pretty much, I guess not pretty much, but cleaned off here. I still gotta clean them off, but man, this paint is crazy stuck on there. So I'm gonna have to keep scrubbing. I might just go ahead and take some yeah, some like 120 grit sandpaper, 240, something like that, and just go over it and scuff them up really good, and then just hit them with some of the epoxy primer to seal them, and then just see what it looks like after the epoxy primer. Because man, I used paint stripper on this, I used that sandblaster that I got, I used a lot of stuff, and I just cannot get all of the paint on this stuff off. I mean, they look a lot better than, well, no they don't, but yeah, so they're getting there. And then also this rear piece on the car, let me move my parts box here. That piece that goes right there, that's what you saw me just painting. So yeah, we got that all good to go. But anyway, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I just been, yeah, just plugging away. It was a couple days of recording just after work, a couple hours here and there. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could smash that subscribe button, that would be great. And then hit the thumbs up. And if you got any comments, put them down below. And I appreciate it. And we will catch y'all next time. Later.